Hi, today will be the first medical talk. This will show why medical knowledge is important. The purpose of this talk is to promote my medical talks or tuition. So why should we study medicine? We study a lot about the things external to us like cars, machines, economics, finance, buildings. But very few people know about their internal body and mind. Mind is like psychology or psychiatry. I find that studying the body is 100 to 1000 times more complicated than the most complicated man-made object. It has its own logic and it gives you a new worldview. The next reason is to stay healthy. If we know how the body works, then we can ensure that we take care of it the best possible way to prevent illness. The next reason is if we can take care of ourselves, then we can also take care of others. We can take care of the old people, young people, sick people. And lastly, it is more economical to prevent than to cure. If we see a doctor, it may cost us 100,000. But to prevent it by learning, it may just cost 1% to 5%. So about myself, I studied in science stream until pre-university. I have studied medicine since December 2022 and I have been taking tuition. It is boring studying by myself, so I thought why not find people to learn together. I studied law for 2 years and I read 50 to 100 books. So this helped me to study medicine. Because I know how to focus on the important things and to summarize. I also work as an ex-auditor, which made me very inquisitive, and I try to balance to get the complete and accurate view. As an accounts personnel, I often saw every month around 10% of the employees visited a doctor due to various health issues like back pain, fever, cough, skin disease, motor accident, minor surgeries, etc. So I know how important medical is. I have also 30 medical books as references. So what are the subjects of medicine? In a normal medical syllabus, a student will study the first 2.5 years for biomedical subjects. Biomedical subjects will include pharmacology, physiology, neurology, all the Gs. But the next 22.5 years, they will study clinical subjects and they will start to learn about specific functions of the body like the lungs, the kidneys, the eyes, about how to take care of children, how to do surgery, etc. I cannot advise about giving you treatment because I am not a doctor. But yep. So some facts: everybody eventually will fall sick, but before we die, there may probably be 10 to 15 years that we will be more prone to fall sick. This is because the cells cannot multiply forever. And moreover, today's generation, we do not exercise or eat well enough compared with in the past. So I foresee that many will be immobile in a wheelchair. And the second fact is 10% of adults in Malaysia and in the world has diabetes. Diabetes leads to many other diseases. The health ministry has the second largest budget in Malaysia after education. And this is, I think every year they spend about almost 40 billion just on operating expenditure. This excludes private hospitals. If you were to add private hospitals, it will probably be the largest expenditure item, even exceeding education. The last three are about mindset. We often think we need to have the right inputs. We need to eat the right things, sleep, and relax. But we also need the right output. We need to exercise enough. Exercising has many benefits, which it is scientific and proven. And the other two is the first, we think that we are in control of the head. We think that the head controls the body. But the body also controls the head. When blood sugar is high, for example, neurons can't function properly, brains get affected, we think slow, we feel tired and lethargic. Then there's also Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease, which affects the brain. So the last one is, we think it is a miracle when a sick person is cured, but actually it is a miracle that we have life and health, because there's so much processes going on at any time that they are beyond our control, and all of them are doing its job. So why am I offering? I'm offering medical talks of classes. I will research many hours before presenting. First, I'll start from my books, then maybe library, internet, or consult doctors or medical students confirm my findings. I can also get medical practitioners to certify my speech or slides. I can tailor it to the audience, perhaps with the assumption that they have a zero knowledge on biology. The subject can be based on disease prevention or physiology. Physiology is how the eye, like for example, how the eye works, how the brain works, how the kidney works, etc. All right, thank you.